I'm going to show you how you can use One4All digital gift cards on Shop. First off, you'll have to claim the digital card on your email, so just claim it by pressing on that button right there. Now, once you claim that, you'll be redirected into their website. Now, you just have to log into their website here. Just log into their website here, enter in your email, and also enter in your password here. The website is called one4all.com. Now, just log in. Now, once you log in, you'll pay with the screen like this. Now, once you go to a screen like this, go into the top right section there on your gift card section. You just have to go right there. Now, once you open up that section right there, you'll see your current gift cards here, right? So my current gift cards is right there. Now, just tap on that current gift card right now, and then you'll be put into a screen like this. Now, once you put into a screen like this, all you have to do is to press the button Spend in Store right there. Now, once you spend in store right there, you'll see a couple of on-screen prompts which will guide you through the process of paying on the actual store. Just follow the on-screen prompts and then that's it. You can use the One4All digital gift card on a store as easy as that.